Most seniors believe that stiff, aching joints are simply part of aging. You've probably even heard that once cartilage wears down, there's nothing you can do but take pain pills or wait for surgery. But here's the shocking truth. Your joints may not be failing because of old age at all. The real culprit might be hiding right now in your own kitchen spice rack. That's right, the same little jars you sprinkle on food could either make your joints weaker or help rebuild strength and flexibility. And once you see how this works, you'll never look at your spices the same way again. Now, let's bust the myth first. The old idea that joint pain comes only from wear and tear is outdated. Research shows that inflammation, the invisible fire inside your body, is often the root cause. Think of your joints like the hinges on a door. If those hinges get rusty, the door squeaks and sticks. That rust is like inflammation in your knees, hips, and shoulders. And the exciting part? Certain natural spices have been shown to calm that rust down. Here's where it gets fascinating. You don't need exotic supplements or expensive treatments. Many of the strongest natural helpers are already sitting in your kitchen cabinet. But only if you know which ones to use and how to use them correctly. Let's start with the most famous, turmeric. This bright golden spice has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. Why does it work? Because turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that may help cool inflammation. Imagine pouring cool water on a campfire. That's what turmeric can do for sore joints. But here's the catch. Sprinkling a tiny pinch on food isn't enough. To unlock its benefits, pair turmeric with a small dash of black pepper. Pepper contains piperine, which helps your body absorb curcumin up to 20 times better. So if you add turmeric to scrambled eggs, soups, or even warm milk, always remember the pepper. That tiny change could be a game changer for stiffness. Now, before I reveal the second spice, think about this. If one golden powder can make such a difference, what about other overlooked herbs? That curiosity is what keeps researchers digging, and what seniors like you can take advantage of. The second joint-friendly spice is ginger. You may think of it only for nausea or tea, but ginger has compounds called gingerols that act like natural pain soothers. Some studies suggest ginger can work almost like mild anti-inflammatory drugs, without the harsh side effects. One simple way to use it: slice fresh ginger into hot water, sip as a tea daily, or add grated ginger to stir-fry. For those who struggle with digestion, ginger may also help calm the stomach, giving you two benefits in one. But there's another spice that doesn't get nearly enough attention: cinnamon. Most people only think of it on oatmeal or desserts, but cinnamon may help reduce swelling in tissues and even balance blood sugar, which indirectly supports joint health. Think of it this way. When blood sugar swings wildly, it adds stress to the whole body, including your joints. A sprinkle of cinnamon in morning coffee or yogurt could be a simple way to add a protective boost. Now, here's a quick bonus tip just for seniors. Always start small with these spices. Your taste buds and digestion may be more sensitive now, so a quarter teaspoon daily is often enough. And if you're on medications, especially blood thinners, it's best to check with your doctor first. So what's the bigger lesson here? Joint pain isn't just inevitable aging, it's often a signal that your body is inflamed and asking for help. And the answer may already be within arm's reach in something as humble as a teaspoon of spice. Imagine how empowering it feels to open your kitchen cabinet and see a natural toolkit for stronger joints. That's what functional medicine is all about, addressing the root cause instead of just masking the pain. If you want to go deeper and learn exactly how to rebuild joint strength naturally, we've created a step-by-step 30-day plan called Stronger Joints After 50. Inside, you'll discover not just spices, but simple daily actions, gentle exercises, and nutrition strategies designed specifically for seniors. You can download it using the link below this video. And don't click away just yet. On the end screen, I'm sharing another eye-opening video called Why Eating Salad at the Wrong Time Can Weaken Muscles After 60. It's a surprising twist that could change the way you look at healthy foods forever. Before you go, let me ask, which spice from your kitchen do you reach for the most? Turmeric, ginger, or cinnamon? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear what's already part of your daily routine.